What's going on, guys? We are here. Pretty sure today is Wednesday. Good morning so far, and hopefully you are having a good morning. We got Joan de... Oh my goodness, Joan de Jesus first in the chat, my man. You know what that means. Joan de Jesus is getting a blue name for the rest of the day. I love it, Joan de Jesus. Congratulations, my man. Can you defer my wrench to tomorrow, Joan de Jesus? Nope. Can't do it, man. Can't do it. You gotta win again tomorrow if you want it again tomorrow. Can't use my wrench today because I'm driving. I'll just spend the day listening. Joan de Jesus. Good win, man. Good win. Hey, bro, can we discuss the flat line we had after hours last night? Yeah, we could discuss the flat line that we had some after hours last night. Share some pizza, Clay. Mr. Simon. Okay, we'll talk about it now, and then if somebody asks again later, we can talk about it again later. But that pizza was good, okay? That pizza wasn't excellent. I think what I really would have changed on that pizza, I would have used some different cheese. I had some shredded cheese here, and I just used that. Not the best pizza. Not the best pizza cheese. So that would have been what I would change. I probably, because I've had better pizza, I would have rated it somewhere probably in the upper 6s on taste. But I'm going to be honest. Cold pizza-wise, yeah, I don't know. That would be like a 9. That would have been like a 9 at least on cold pizza. Very, very top to being one of the best cold pizzas I've ever had. Hot pizza, no, I would have changed it. I would have changed the cheese for eating it straight out of the oven last night. But cold pizza, dude, I would have to give it a 9 or 10 based on the fact that it was definitely top cold pizza I've ever had. What up, Shiba Army? Skybit, how you doing, afternoon all? What's up, Riptide Redemption? How you doing? Silence! It's not even on. What is it? You didn't even hear anything. How do you even know that it's on vibrate? Sometimes I swear you guys just say things. I promise you do. You did not hear anything. I know you just say things. Wait for the money of holiday bonus. Let's get it. Anybody got the Christmas bonuses coming in? We're going to grab some Christmas bonus stocks. The taxes of unemployment. Albert. People invest. Yes, we heard it. I doubt that, Marine Corps brat. You heard nothing. Okay, I'm pulling over to the side of the road so I can use my wrench the whole stream. Joan de Jesus, don't do it, man. Don't do it. Be careful, dude. Just drive. You can win again. You can win again, Joan de Jesus. We heard brr, brr. You did, dude. There's no way because I heard nothing and I am literally here. How can you guys hear stuff that I can't even hear? Hold, people, hold. Chris, we are holding, man. Shiba Nation. Oh, yes, Landon. Shiba Nation is in here. The Shiba Army is rolling late. Oh, my gosh, Tony. What are you even doing here showing up this late, man? JB, I heard it as well. No. JB didn't hear anything. Who else was a victim like me on Robinhood? Not me, because I don't have a Robinhood account, but probably quite a few people, Food Critic. Grandpa Barney is earning his money before he can count it and sent some super chats. Nice, Sebastian. Grandpa Barney is the man. Don't even know if Grandpa Barney's in here yet, but Grandpa Barney is an amazing dude. Everyone rage buy right now. Let's get it. At work, my man. Sorry, Clip. Why does Tony still have a wrench? Okay, let's go take some wrenches away for some people. Let's go take some wrenches away. I don't even know why Tony's got a wrench, man. Tony was a wrench winner yesterday. Not today. Goodness gracious. Alright, let's take some of these wrenches away. I don't even know who was first on the video last night. We'll just leave that one because I'm sure he was. Dang, man. Where is Darling and Natalie and Rocket and Brett? Where are you guys? Guys' blue names. I don't know, man. I don't know. Alright, we'll keep those right now. We'll keep those going. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then we'll come back in here. Boom! We're here. Good morning, everybody. Donnell, good morning to you. Darn! Tony says, darn, I've been caught. It's alright. JB says, take it. Take it. Nope. Wasn't mine. Didn't take yours away. Ugh, yeah, he says take it. I don't even want it, JB. Yeah, right, dude. Give me that wrench instead, bro. John, you can win a wrench, man. If you want a wrench, I'm here. Cheers. What's up, Ginger Snaps? How you doing? Rate of burn. I don't know if it's actually increasing or not. Anybody got any updates on the burn rate increase or decrease? We were burning about 700 to 750 million Shiba last week. Let us know what we got going on this week. I'll get it back at 3. Tony, that's what I'm talking about, man. They would rather invest in the slot machines. Not me, dude. I'd rather buy Shiba. What's your take on this burn party? What burn party? You got a burn party going on? Didn't even invite me? Dude, that's rude. Why did they not even invite me to a burn party, man? Oh, you guys want to see something cool that I was looking at? I don't know if you watched the video this morning yet or not, but check this out. This is cool. You know we were talking about... No, not this one. What is going on with this heat map? This is full of lies, dude. Somebody needs to update this. Copy heat map. Dude, what is the heat map if it's just a lie? Alright, whatever. I don't like it. Alright, check this out. This is sweet, isn't it? Look at this, man. You see this wedge? You see this wedge? You see this wedge we got on here? Look at this right now. Look at this pullback. Look at... I can't make this stuff up. Look at this pullback here. Oh my gosh! It's perfect! The heck? Saw that this morning and I was like, nice, I gotta show off a little bit in the stream today. We gotta see what's going on with this bad boy right here. So look, we may get another bounce up to around 5,400. So if you're day trading, you can go out there and possibly pick up 100 or 200 points on Shiba Inu coin, but we might, November 11th, we might... How is this 12th? I swear that moved. Alright, man. Well, it might be the 12th now. I swear it moved. This was the 11th yesterday. Now it's the 12th. I guess if you... I don't know, dude. It was the 12th. It was the 11th yesterday. But right in here, we can see it. Boop, 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 boop. And so on. We got to see what happens with that. But that is to a T. Tony says, like the live stream. Thank you very much. Don't be circling back to not talk about it. AMC flatline, please. Definitely. Damn. Marine Corps Brad comes in with a nice little assertiveness. All right. Marine Corps Brad, do whatever you say. Okay. Let's see what we got here. AMC flatline last night. Where's my AMC graph? So hard to keep up with this stuff, man. AMC flatline last night. Let's look at a 5-minute chart. Go back to yesterday, last night. Ah, dude, that's not really a flat line. That's just trading sideways. That's just trading sideways. That's all that was. No activity yesterday after hours, and then jumped up this morning. That's nobody wanting to trade anything. Trading between $40 and $39.90. No after hours activity yesterday. 17 shares, 20 shares, 150 shares, 300, 112, 9 shares traded during that 1-minute period, 25 shares. Very low trading activity that took place after hours in AMC yesterday. I think a lot of people just didn't want to deal with what was going on. They stopped looking at it and clearly stopped trading it after hours. So, yeah, definitely some boring activity taking place in AMC stock yesterday after hours. Bar me down to 33 cents right now. Could be a decent buy if you want. Probably won't be holding that much longer anyway. You get an earnings report coming up here pretty soon. Bed Bath & Beyond doing well, up a %90 today. A lot of red still in the market today, guys. We still got a lot of red pulling back from the day we had yesterday. So you expect a run on the 12th for Shiba Lewis. So yeah, I do expect a breakout on... Dude, it's either going to be like the 11th night or it could be... So that 12th there is probably going to be like midnight on the 12th. It's probably going to be before I even wake up. But it doesn't necessarily mean it runs to the upside, right? We expect a breakout on the 12th. Whether that's a breakout to the upside or downside is yet to be determined. but that consolidation phase should end either sometime tomorrow or apparently very early on, Friday morning? Great. Which will rip in 2021, electric vehicles or chip manufacturers? Dude, we thought that electric vehicles were just going to rip all of 2021, right? With all this new infrastructure crap that they were talking about and all that. And I know that since they have been passing some stuff, that electric vehicles have been getting a nice bounce. But if you're looking at Tesla stock, what is this, man? Can I not put this cup in the microwave? If you're looking at Tesla stock, then it might be pulling back a little bit because Elon Musk is going to end up having to sell like $15 million worth of stock or something ridiculous. Clay, any thoughts on Rivian before the IPO goes live? Nick, I'm not going to be buying it. I'm not buying any, but I do think IPOs are typically volatile. You guys probably know that by now. But a lot of people are very interested in Rivian. So, yeah, I do think you could do pretty well on it, especially long term, man. I think a lot of bigger companies have some interest in getting their hands on that tech, too. Hey, bro, how you doing? Golden Reaper, doing great, man. How you doing? Within 10 days, I think it's going to have a big run upward down. I'm not sure. Yeah, Ronald, you talking about Shiba, man? I think you could be right on with that time frame. I don't even know if you're allowed to put this cup in the microwave. It feels like it's melting. Doc Sunny! Thank you very much for the super chat. Oh man. It's a noob. It's a noob. It's a noob. Doc, I'm not a noob, man. I'm not a noob. GG no R-E-K. Thanks, noob. That's what I'm talking about. Frank, what's going on? I didn't even see Frank's name on the list of mods, and yet he's still here. Doc, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that, man. Frank says, morning bros and bro babes, market combat. Oh yes. Chip companies. Sky says chip companies. Let's go. Marine Corps Brett, that is correct. Decentraland went up a lot. I bought it was 30 cents. Golden Reaper. Very nice, man. Frank, how are you? Hey, how are you? Only noobs are selling Shiba right now. Chris, yeah, I would agree with that. Only noobs are selling Shiba right now because they don't even see the long-term potential it's got. Short version, bro-in-law, car accident, no belt, ejected, broke back in 2 places, has feeling but might not walk again, memory problems, long recovery ahead. My goodness. Frank, that is ridiculous, man. I hope everybody, that affects clearly him, but I hope everybody in the family is okay, man. That's tragic news. Click, write down our red light, green light for Binance Smart Chain. They're going through the necessary audits currently. We can discuss later. I may have bought 20,000 last night. Ooh, nice. JB, where should we write this stuff down at? I should be keeping tabs on this. Doc, red light, green light's another one. We could do red light, green light for the portfolio too. That sounds like a fun one. Doc Sunny, thank you very much for the super chat. Doc says, keep it up. Keep it up. Oh my gosh. Keep it up. Keep it up. Doc, one more set. Keep it up. Okay, one more. Keep it up. Oh my gosh. Doc, thank you very much for the quick workout there, man. Really appreciate that. Doc Sunny, keeping it up, baby. He ain't no noob. No way. Doc, thank you. How about that Prague, baby? How about that Prague? Prague is running this morning up 6.75%. Was up about 12% earlier, I think. I think it was somewhere around there. But sitting at $3.64 per share right now. Very nice on Prague. Yes, Prague is the one behind me if you can't see it right now. Oh, it's fun. It's fun. That's what she said. Keep it up. That's what she said. Let's get it, man. What's going on, IoTex? I do not know. Para droids. Stop droids. As a newbie, what would your advice be going forward with Shiba? Claybro, as a newbie, what would your advice be going forward with Shiba? At Claybro. No, Gingy, you don't have to say oops. That's funny. So, look. As a newbie, advice going forward on Shiba. Determine now whether you're going to be upset and excited with short-term price swings, okay? If you plan on holding 2 prices like a penny, half a cent, quarter of a cent, so on, I mean, you need to get that long-term mentality in your mind right now. If you plan on holding shorter term, doubling your money and so on, stay excited. It's all right. Stay vigilant. But if you're going to, be upset, you need to figure that out because Shiba is volatile. It goes up, it goes down, and it has the potential to go down just as much as it has the potential to go up. So please do not think just because something is being kind of hyped and frenzied and speculated around that it means that it's guaranteed, okay? Everything has the possibility of going up and down, and if you know that, you're not a noob anymore. You understand what you're investing in. Noobs don't understand what they're investing in. So, ginger snaps, that's the very first thing that I would say. But long term, I do think it has potential. Short term, it will be volatile. Thanks so much. I just don't want to lose it all. I was told it will stay. Yeah, so ginger snaps, it should, it's got a lot of support where it's at, but it could come back down too. You're allowed to put a stop loss on. You don't want to lose it all. Maybe you're willing to risk 10% or 20% or so on. You're allowed to put a stop loss on. And then if it gets hit, it's at least you had your line in the sand and then you were able to get out. But long term, I do think that it has potential. Short term, it will be volatile. Know when to get out before you get in. Chris, excellent plan, man. If you know, that's the definition of a trading plan. Have your exit strategy in place before you even get in. SHIB is going down, descending triangle pattern. Might go down to 48 AB. Yeah, maybe. Your descending triangle pattern, I think mine is slightly higher than 48. Mine's not on 48, but 43 would be my next level of support below kind of where we're at right now. Heard feedback is Facebook is changing their official ticker on to Meta on December 1st. What y'all think? Roger, if that's true, that's goofy, man. That's goofy. Thank you. Absolutely. Miko. I don't know, that emoji didn't come over, man. It just says FI, so I don't know what flag that would have been. Marine Corps Brad, happy birthday. What? Today's not Marine Corps Brad's happy birthday. No way. Apparently, you have to be a noob to get a comment read. Chris, facts, man. Facts. When it dips below 0.00004, buy it. I like it, Paradroids. Morning, bro fam. Good morning, Leah. How are you? When do you think AMC squeezes? All platforms will crash while everyone is trying to sell. No, I don't think that all platforms are going to crash when everybody's trying to sell. I do think that there will be platforms that try to, play some nonsense out there. I don't think that is going to be a very good look for them. But man, if I've noticed anything, it's these people that use these platforms have very short attention spans and very short memories. You can screw them over 1 minute and then the next day, give them a hug and tell them they're your best friend. Let's see. Wrestler, happy birthday, United States Marine Corps, 246 years. Get 244 likes. Is the like button broken? Go smash the like button. Listen to Frank, man. Go smash that like button, you 278 people. And if we get to 100 likes, we'll do a wrench giveaway. Tell me when we're at 100, and we'll do a wrench one. Noob reading hour. We had our moment time to share. Diddy214. Yes, it's the noob reading hour. Let's get it. What stock would you recommend putting money into that is on the screen? They're all on the screen for a reason, man. GameStop, Shiba, AMC, and Prague, they're all on the screen for a reason. The only one that I actually don't have is GameStop. But Vasteel, love this stream and love this community. Vasteel, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Love you too, man. Glad you're in here. Marine Corps Brett is 246 years old. Dang it, Marine Corps Brett. I knew you were a vampire. I can tell. I can tell by that picture right there. I knew it. Hold Shiba. Yes, Drew says Shiba. Yeah, what do you guys say? It's a good question. Joan De Jesus with the Rencho. Oh, yes. Joan De Jesus with the Rencho today. If we got to 100 likes, we'll do a wrench giveaway real quick. I do think it'll end up similar to Doge, okay? I think it's going to stabilize a lot once the hype kind of fades, and we're going to be able to see some longer-term potential in it. I had a dream. I got my shirt last night. Kelby, nice. Chris, I know, breaks my heart. Darn it, man. Don't break your heart. Elizabeth is in here. What's up, Elizabeth? I love you. No, you do not, Ginger Snaps. No way. Survive says Shiba. Did Elon tweet cryptic AMC message, image of him in front and pointing to an AMC theater sign? Lex, I don't know if he did that or not. Hey, Click, please check. Shiba is making a bullish triangle in 4-hour time frame. Yeah, dude, so we can actually see what my 4-hour time frame looks like in a second here, but let's see if we got 100 likes, because if we got 100 likes, we're going to do a wrench giveaway. We got 71 likes. 19 of you, or 29 of you, go click the like button real quick, and let's do a wrench giveaway. Help these people out, man. Just go click the like button so we can do a wrench giveaway. These people want a wrench. Let's give them a wrench. 76, all right. 24, like you guys know how to count. 24 people, click it. 12 people, go click the like button. Help everybody out here. We'll do a little wrench giveaway. All right. All right, 2 more people. Come on, you can do it. There you go. All right, you guys know the deal. Go spam the chat right now. We'll give a wrench away. Let's do this bad boy. Let's do this bad boy. Well, if you want to, I mean, spam the chat if you want. I don't see no spam yet. Let's do this. Oh, anybody want to spam the chat, or we're just gonna let it go? All right, now it's rolling. Now it's rolling. All right, good deal. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's give this wrench away right now. What do we got? 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 What do we got here? It is. Did I get one? Did I get one? Who that is? All right, I see who it is. Do you guys see who it is? Who's got that blue name? Let's see who's got that blue name in the chat right now. Very nice. All right. I mean, you guys can keep spamming if you want, but the wrench has been given. You have been wrenched. Did you guys blow up the chat? Like, what's going on here? It's not even moving now. I think you may have blown up the chat. Okay, now it's moving. All right, good. Golly, that was weird. United States Marine Corps 246th birthday, US, October 10th, 1775. Very nice, Marine Corps, Brett. I still don't... Oh, there it is. There it is. Zachariah. Congratulations on the blue name. Zachariah with the blue name for the rest of the day. We here? Oh, yeah. Ooh, you know what? Subscriber wrench giveaway. Interesting. We should change it. Zachariah, do you subscribe to the channel? We should change it to subscriber mode only for the wrench giveaways. We should do that. I see a little silhouette of a man. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. His name is Clay, bro. Doc Sunny, thank you for the super chat. Doc Sunny says, Shiba will rise, even though I own only 12 millions, but emotions attached. First time investing. Nice, man. That's what I'm talking about there, Doc. I love it, dude. Emotions attached, and you're going to be making some money. 12 million Shiba. I like it, Doc. Congratulations. First time investing. I am very, very glad that you are hanging out with us in here, man. Very glad. Peyton Lockwood, man. You're actually pretty funny. And he's got a ... on the end of that, and he's going to come back with another one here in a minute and say, funny looking. I knew the dude was setting himself up for a sick joke. I knew he was. Peyton, thank you very much, man. Really appreciate the $69 super chat there. Nice, dude. Good choice. Good choice in the $69 super chat. 69. Good one. Good one, man. I knew he was setting himself up, though. He's going to come back with a funny look in here in a minute. I know he is. Could have been somewhat busy. What was the rating on the... Oh, rating on the pizza. Devil's Advocate. So... it wasn't as spectacular as I would have thought it was gonna be. So I would have used different cheese, okay? I liked the toppings, I liked the steak, I actually liked the dough that I made too. But I would have used a different cheese if I had a different cheese, man. I just had some shredded cheese, so that's what I used. But I would have gave it like, I've had better pizza than that before. So I would have given it like upper 6s, man. I would have given it like upper 6s. But today, I ate some for breakfast, cold. Now, I'm going to say it's a different story, cold, dude. Cold, it ranks as one of the top pizzas that I've ever had cold. So, I would give it either a 9 or 10 cold. Because, like, you know, regular pizza, if you're just going to grab, like, something from a restaurant or whatever, okay, cold. But that was actually, it was better cold than it was out of the oven last night. So I would have given it, like, upper sixes. I wouldn't be like, yeah, we got to order pizza from there again. But it was good cold today. You took like 30% of my instructions on what to use and then rated it poorly. How dare you? Look in the mirror, Clay. That's the issue with your pizza. Dude, it was. It was the issue with my pizza for sure, man. And I could not bring myself to put mayonnaise on for sauce. There's no way I was going to do that. Could not do it. Never missing his chats, huh? Never, Mr. Simon. Never. What do we got here? You sound like a dying cat when you sing. Hey, dude, that's better than some other animals when they're dying, I guess. Could be worse. Funny looking indeed. Tom Dwan, man, I knew somebody was gonna say it. Clay, bro, we're discussing how you were breaking hearts in here by skipping a lot of us in chat and leaving AMC in the dust. Never happens, Marine Corps brat. Never happens. Your heart's not broken. Clay, the main issue with your pizza is that it is not round. Well, dude, I didn't have a round pan. I have like a little cake pan that I could have put it on, but no, that wasn't gonna work out. So I had to cook it on that baking sheet there. What is this pizza you speak of? Oh my gosh, Elizabeth, how were you not here yesterday? I made a pizza last night. Go check the Twitter real quick, and you got to give it a rating. What does it look like? Does it look like something you would eat? I got some pretty decent ratings on it, man. You guys made me feel pretty good last night about making that pizza. Actually, talking about it now, I want to have another piece, but I'm not going to eat in front of you guys. It's just rude. Anyone holding ENS, not me. Good. You got 5-minute delay. What? I don't have no 5-minute delay. It's impossible. Hey, Clay, any ideas on MCRB? Muhammad, no. What's up, bro? Clay, bro, and family. AMC Chapter, what's going on, man? Sup, fam? Sounds like something I'm interested in. Tippy dog is what I'm talking about. It is. See? No broken hearts in here, Marine Corps brat. Never. Elizabeth. I told him to make a steak pizza with steak mayo for sauce, sauteed onions, and feta cheese, and this fool basically used steak on a normal pizza with peppers and blamed me for not being a 10. And I didn't even use the feta, man. I'm sitting on a block of feta in my fridge, and I didn't even use it. I didn't even use it, dude. I should have. I am getting hungry, though. Ant the Barber, man. How you been, dude? Clay Ho. Clay Bro, man. What's up, brother? Just stopped by to show my support. That's what I'm talking about, Ant the Barber. Yes. I need my haircut soon. I gotta probably do that this weekend. It is okay, Marine Corps brat. Has to tell in the new subs, even if it means forgetting the old members. Never, Chris. Never. You guys are getting hit in the feels today, aren't you? Forgetting the OGs. Simon, not gonna happen, man. You can cook a pizza with heat radiated from that. Actually, I probably could do that, man. This is a very hot lava lamp. I probably could cook a lot on that lava lamp. Very hot. What's up, AMC Trap? D214 says, how's it going, man? Box it up and sell it for AMC to surge on the price. Let's get it, Sky. I should do that. Devil's Advocate, what's up? How you feel about Shiba? I'm optimistic and bullish on Shiba. Who's Chris? Who's Chris? You ever heard of that name before? No, me neither. Just kidding, Chris. Just kidding. Oh my goodness. What do we got here so far? Have you heard of Zoot? Zoot? Yeah, like a coin? No, not a coin. AMC sitting at $40.45. Shiba sitting at $51.64. GME sitting at $2.05. And Prague sitting in a beautiful $3.60. Oh, 10 cents per share on Prague. I like it, man. I like it. Prague's a moneymaker, dude. I've only been down on Prague for a couple hours. 309 here. Smash the like button. It's free to do. Ant the Barber, really appreciate that. It is free to smash the like button, guys. Don't forget to do that. DD214, what's good, brother? Good morning, all you glorious apes. I couldn't help myself. Bought more AMC today. I like it, Frodo. Adding to the portfolio. Waiting for that short squeeze to happen. Dude, like, we're going to have a lot of shares by the time AMC decides to squeeze. It's going to be very nice. Chris is going back to his music. Oh, no, Chris. Don't go back to the music, man. Why would you do that? Music is nice, but music is not interactive. I'm getting worried with my gains on my sheep. It's still way up, but wondering if it hits 5,000, if I should pull a majority out. I don't want to miss another pump. Finn, well, I can tell you, if you do pull out, you're definitely going to miss the pump. But if you feel like you're too heavily invested, then you could pull out. But some levels that you should actually look at if you are, I always click that one. if you are concerned about Shiba falling down, okay, this level right in here may hold up throughout tomorrow, okay? So a fall down below 5,000, at least at this point, is unexpected, okay? So we got to zoom way out here, consolidate this graph nicely. We've got this wedge from hitting the higher lows and then the lower highs that we've been hitting since the beginning or end of October there. The lower highs and the higher lows get us this wedge that we're in. We've been hitting it very nicely along the edges here, trading, consolidating, tightening, consolidating, tightening. And then this is what we're looking at right here, man. So a dip down below 5,000 is kind of unexpected if this wedge holds up. So keep that in mind moving forward. Let's see here. Polygon up nicely, 2% today. We got any major winners? Tesla up 4%, bouncing back off the decline from yesterday. Futu up 5%. What the heck Futu is? I don't even know. DWAC rolling 5% today. All right. Anybody got DWAC out there? Sitting on some DWAC, you're up 5%. We'll go back out to the customized version and see all 4 of these stocks once it loads because we are lagging. All right. Let's see what we got. How do we feel about Shiba? Feel good about Shiba. Let's see. Wrestler! Want to hear a cat joke? Just kidding. That was actually pretty good. I like that one, Wrestler. That was good. Hey, you want to hear a cat joke? Just kidding. Oh, man. I shouldn't like that as much. I can't buy Surge with Binance. I don't know what platform I can use in the Netherlands. Zachariah. Somebody help Zachariah out. I don't know. He's trying to buy Surge, and he can't get it with Binance. Somebody help Zachariah with where he can buy Surge at. Hi, Clay, and everyone took Elizabeth's advice and put another 400 on Shiba. I am ready for AMC to hit the moon. Let's get it, Adria. Very nice. Doge on Mars to the moves. Let's go. Let's go, AMC. Heck yeah. 11 on sound. Let's go, man. Peyton! Just a delayed reaction. Peyton says, funny looking. Darn, man, you beat me to it. Darn it, man. I'm always ruining jokes like that. Golly bum. Peyton, man, thank you very much for another 69 on the Super Chat, of course. Not Super 60. Yeah, that's what it was. Peyton beat you to it, man, but it's still true. This dude is funny. Funny looking. Oh my gosh, Peyton, man, thank you very much for the Super Chat. Rip me. I got double rip today. This dude's funny. Funny looking. Gosh, I knew it was coming. For the record, that's my cat. What's your cat? Good. That was a good one, wasn't it, Wrestler? Wrestler had a really good one today. I liked it, man. I liked that one. Wasn't as good as Peyton's joke telling me that I'm funny looking, but it was still a good joke. So you only give your opinion on coins you know. Clearly. I don't know. How would I form an opinion on a coin that I don't know about? Like, no hat, man. No hat. How would I have an opinion on something that I've never heard of or don't know anything about? Peyton says, I must be a little delayed, eh? I must be a little delayed, eh? I love it, dude. He's got the Canadian dollars and he's saying A at the end of his sentence. Perfect, Peyton. Amazing. You are here forever now. You are definitely here to stay. Definitely here to stay, Peyton. You were a little delayed, eh? Yes, you were a little delayed, eh? But it's all right, eh? It's true though, man. The dude even wrote A at the end of it. I love it. I love it, Peyton. You're a bro now, man. You're a bro. You cannot go anywhere. Who's the oldest on Claybro? I'm interested in knowing the average age here. I'm 53. You are definitely not the oldest, Christopher. Who is the oldest person in here? Christopher, I'm 52. Donnell's 52. We got 52 and 53 in here. 25. I'm 32. So I'm actually, I think I'm about the median age in here. 32 is probably the median age. Shades of Vision, 25. One of us. Clay, my only serious comment right now. Did you look at Disney NFT link I sent you last night? I'm going to be honest, dude. I ate that pizza last night, and then I watched some New Girl, and then went to bed. So I did not look at anything that anybody sent me on Twitter. 42, 69, 65, 93. Yeah, right, Deppy Dog. 39. I am late. Did I miss anything important? Jay, no, not yet. My stream was behind by 2 minutes already, and I got here. Cassie, ridiculous. 29, 49, 30, 20, 35, 41. See y'all. 29, 45, 30, 30. Nice. I'm 19. Nice, Leah. 41, 45. Median or average? Yeah. Yep, median or average. I'll just give you both of those because one of them's bound to be correct. 30, 46, 11. You're not 11, Sebastian. 30, nice, Kelby, super cool. Loving to see younger generations killing in the markets. Me too, Christopher, for real. 33, 40, 60, nice, Danny. 37, 39, new episodes, new girl. No, old ones, John. Old ones. Peyton, a couple 69s, and we're bros. What an easygoing guy. That's what I'm talking about, Peyton, man. A couple 69s, and we're bros for life, man. Easy as that. Even throws out the 699 on the super chat. This dude is great, man. Oh, a couple 69s, bros for life. Heidi, 72. Interesting. I might believe that. 44, 52, 48, 54. Hector said he has it here. Has it in what? Has it in here himself? He said it in. Oh, gotcha. Me, I'm 121. Yeah, right. Call me a great granddad. You are not 121. 49, 30. Nice T-Day. 99. Waiting to appear on Willard Scott. You are not 99. Come on. Seems like I'm the youngest. Leah, if you are 19, yeah, you probably are the youngest. There's only one kid that I kind of believe that he was 16 years old, but he has not been in here since, honestly, since like school let out back in June. Bro, what's up with Jasmine Coin? What's he doing, man? I don't know. I don't know what Jasmine Coin's doing. 63, 44, 25, 18. 18! Christian's 18. Nice. 69 all day. Gerald, you're not 69 all day. No cap. Definitely. Definitely. If she's out there saying things like no hat, she's definitely 19. 30. Zachariah's 30. Nice. Fletcher's 29. 49 from Canada. Very nice. Ginger Snaps. How was the pizza? Pringleton, the pizza was good. Okay? It was not like the best pizza I've ever had in my life. Kind of, I would have rated it upper 6s, lower 7s, man. But cold this morning. I ate some cold this morning. I would have given that a 9 or 10 because that could be among the best pizza I've ever had cold. Nick Response, 22, very good. 30, 37 from Portugal. Muito obrigado por vir aqui. Josu? I don't know how to say her name, man. Eu não sei falar seu nome, sorry. Do you ever watch Larry Jones' channel? Sometimes I do, yes. Investing with Larry Jones, I've seen, like I don't regularly watch it, but I have seen multiple of his videos. Nick, he says he's 42, 44 at work, not working. Stacy, that's the best thing to be doing while you're at work. 31 from Kashmir, don't know where that's at. 47, ain't it normal to be a broker at 18? Christian, no, it's not normal to be a broker at 18. I love pizza and tacos. Well, I made some pizza tacos last night. What are your thoughts on SafeMoon? Kind of the same. I feel like SafeMoon and Shiba Inu Coin are kind of like cousins, but Shiba Inu Coin is the more successful cousin, at least at this point. Good people, that Larry Jones? Yes. I mean young people. Yes, young people. We are all young people. This old ape hangs out with young old people, are mean and no fun. And we are fun. We're fun and we're hanging out. Adria, I'm glad to have you in here. Clay, do you ever sub up to us as well? Sub up to you as well? What do you mean sub up to, like sub to your YouTube channels? Yeah, I mean I subscribe to people's YouTube channels. You got a YouTube channel, Ginger Snaps? Is that what you're saying? 27 and a half. Bleacher Bum. Nice, dude. I like the half in there. Just joined from Wisconsin. Kyle, glad to have you. What do you think about Shiba? How much is it going to dip after it shoots off? Dude, after it runs up, you know, dips, it has been dipping very, very healthy. Like 50% dips from the run-ups, if not more. I mean, when it dipped almost 80% back in May when it ran up to 3,500 and then dipped back down to 500. So it could dip greatly after some big run-ups. Yes, I do have one. Well, Ginger Snaps. I'll have to subscribe to it then. Guys, go watch Ginger Snaps videos right now and tell me if I should subscribe to her channel. We need to know. What's up with Shiba? Kyle, trading in the wedge pattern, man. Leah says, I'm old enough to drink. Move out. You were 19. You're not old enough to drink. What are you talking about? No hat, man. You're 19. You can't drink and you can move out, but come on now. You ain't drinking. Woof Woof, just joining from the Philippines. EC, I love it. Larry Jones, pretty decent channel. I like it, man. Larry Jones, nice guy. I'm a loyal supporter. To who I watch. Ginger Snaps, good deal. Followed on Insta. Jay, thank you very much for season Canada. Amber, that I did not know. Well, technically, I'm 19.4 years old. 19.4. God. Oh, nerd. 19.4. Yep. Technically, what am I then? 32. I'm 32 and a half now, right? Yeah. 11th month, I'm 32 and a half. My half birthday will be on the 26th of November. The BLT pizza I get uses ranch for the sauce. See, I should have stepped out of my comfort zone and used some sort of mayonnaise or ranch or something on that steak pizza. Could AMC follow Dow Jones or NASDAQ? So it would be less likely to follow the NASDAQ. It's not really a tech company. The NASDAQ is extremely tech heavy. So I would say like the Dow and S&P 500. When I turned 19, we always crossed the border and drank in Canada. You must live near the border then, because that sounds like it would be a very large trip for some people. If you buy, don't sell, and hold, the time is a major... Yeah, Tom, so time definitely is going to be on our side when it comes to Shiba Inu coin. If you wanted to go to these crazy high prices, we need time. Anyone going to play RIBN? I'm not playing it. I believe my dad is playing Rivian today. Is anybody else investing in Rivian in the IPO? I can get down with ranch. Faux show. Dude, I can get down. I like thinking about it now. I don't know. It was still a good pizza, but ranch would have been good on it. Dude, that dough I made was kind of like a garlicky dough. It was pretty good, man. It was pretty good. I looked up a recipe. I used a little bit too much olive oil in it. I will admit to that. But it's actually the first time I've ever made pizza dough. I was a little bit skeptical of it, but it turned out better than I thought. I used too much olive oil. Like I feel like I can make it a little bit better the next time. Happy B-Day. How old are you? No, my half birthday is going to be in 26 days, so I'm 32 and a half. Oh, on the 26th of this month, 16 days. I'm looking forward to Saitama Wallet coming November 13th. Very good. Chicken shawarma pizza is fantastic. Never had that, Ginger Snaps, but it does sound really good. Joan de Jesus. Mozzaba Capinoi? What? Best pizza, barbecue sauce, shredded beef, banana peppers, pineapple, jalapeno, and bacon. Frank, that does sound pretty good, man. Clay, did you use a double O flour? No. I just used regular flour, man. Like all-purpose flour. That's what I used. I invested $500 in SHIB. Do you think that it could reach $1 when I turn 25? I am 18 now. Christian, $1 is going to be very difficult to reach, man. And let me tell you why. If they don't burn a ton of the supply, if we keep the same supply, $1 gives you a $500 trillion market cap. And I mean, I'm pretty sure you could go buy the entire world right now for $500 trillion. So that's a very high price. Very high price. If they burn a ridiculous amount of coins over the next 7 years, by the time you turn 25, then yeah, I would say it's possible, man. And by ridiculous amount, I honestly mean like 99% of the coins. I don't see that happening, but if they did, like it wouldn't be the first time I was wrong, but if they did, then you know, it would give you a $4 or $5 trillion market cap, and then I could see you getting to those prices. So sorry, I just said hi to Joan de Jesus, who's also from the Philippines. Very nice, ECR. I do not speak whatever language that was, man. sorry that I don't even know what language it was. Can you look at DWAC with me? I'm in too deep and hoping it goes green. DWAC, very interesting, man. DWAC, we know, had a lot of hype when we were running higher after the SPAC announced the merger with, oh, what is it, Truth Media? Is that what it is? Where's my DWAC? The DWAC right here, up about 4 or 5% today. And why is it all the way back there? rolling nicely on the day, but if you're looking at a daily chart, dangerous, man. So you got this SPAC that was trading at around $9-10 per share, really popped off, went all the way up to 175. It seems to be forming a very nice support level. We had it at $50 here, but it seems to be forming a very nice support level right here in the $55 range. So I would watch out for that $55 range. If that doesn't hold up, you could see a pullback, man. But hopefully you get a nice bounce off this 55 level and you don't get caught up too much at like $69, $70. Because I don't know how high you got in. I would assume it was back in here, and you need a nice bounce to get back into the green. So hopefully you don't run into too much trouble. You think Shiba will fly before Thanksgiving? Dude, I think we're going to see some action tomorrow. Tomorrow or Friday. I think we see some action. Not what I wanted to click, sorry. Because if you come out here and you're looking at this, if you're looking at this wedge ends tomorrow or very early Friday. And I think that, I think once we end here, if we break out to the upside, we could see a nice run. So, yeah, I do think that it could run before Thanksgiving. I just don't know if that's what we're going to see or if it's going to break out to the downside or kind of what the deal's going to be. But I absolutely think that it could get a run. I think right now everybody's kind of just fading out a little bit and dying down from everything that Robinhood was saying recently and just people calming down from all the hype they had. It will fly Friday because it's my birthday. I already said this. Jay Diaz, let's get it, dude, and it very well could. Rohit, dude, I'm telling you, don't spam. You're gonna get blocked. You're gonna get sent in timeout or whatever. Credibility went down 10 points after saying tomorrow. Darn it, man. Darn it. I knew it probably did, but at least I have a reason on why it could pop tomorrow. Biblical is good. Yeah, biblical is always good. Your views on Saitama. Manny, a lot of people loving Saitama right now, really trying to pump it up. I don't know anything about their projects, anything about their long-term goals, or anything like that, man. All in on mana and sand. I don't know. What is sand? I don't know sand. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to, since I'm always sitting here when I'm talking to you guys, I'm just going to open up a Word document. No, I'm going to open up an Excel document. I prefer Excel. Excel is cooler. I'm opening up an Excel document. We're going to write all these coins down in a spreadsheet here. USD is a Ponzi scheme. Bitcoin is real. Nice, Tom. Humble Guy Gaming. Thank you very much for the super chat. Could Shiba go to 20 range? And what made you decide to go into crypto? Love your channel and your energy. Really appreciate that. 20 range. Are you talking could it fall back down to the 20s? Is that what you're saying? It's definitely possible that it falls back down to the 20s. I would say that's a very low range to think. Like, I think that it could happen, man, but we've got a lot of support at 4,300. We've got a lot of support at 4,000, 3,500, 3,000. So there are a lot of support levels that would need to be broken before we would see the 20s again. And I assume that's what you're saying. I don't think you're saying that it's going to go to like 20 cents or that it's going to go to $20. But I think that would be difficult to reach, man. We would need a lot of people to sell off if we were going to experience levels back down there in the 20s, if you're thinking about buying back down there. Or if you have it back down there and you're thinking about, possibly losing some money on it. 10 minutes later, I'm opening it. JB, yeah, I was thinking about it, man. I was thinking about it because you said that biblical is always good. Clay, may I introduce you to the sections about the plague? Yes, dude, please introduce me to the sections about the plague where, freedom came from that. So please introduce me to the sections about the plague, man, and the freedom in the promised land that was delivered. Afternoon, hey bro, what's up, DD? You inspired me to start my own channel, bro. Love your positivity and energy. Manny, go get it, dude. Go get it. Like, no joke. If you guys want to start your own channel or whatever, I say go get it. Work hard and play hard too. Where's my support level? Chris, support? Did you get support at 50 5,000 right now, 5,000 and rising. That's the first level of support. Below that, 4,300. Future seems to be the metaverse coins. Jay, a lot of people into those. All right, so let's talk about this. Red light, green light. Is that what it is? Red light, green light? JB? All right, we're going to keep this Excel spreadsheet open with a bunch of different coins. Now, if you guys don't know what the heck I'm talking about, what I'm going to do in 2022, I think it's going to be a lot of fun, is, especially because I've been inspired recently too by a bunch of these like startup crypto companies that are emailing me like nonstop. Like Taco Energy is one that emailed me, legitimately, Taco Energy. They have a coin, and I don't know if their energy drink tastes like a taco or what the deal is, but they have an energy drink and a coin. They want to do like cross marketing. Energy drink markets the coin markets the energy drink, and so on. Hey man, could be interesting, right? But 2022, I want to get a portfolio together of just nothing but a bunch of current junk coins. Shiba Inu Coin does not fall on that list, like Cardano, Ethereum. No, none of these coins that actually have a name that you could go tell somebody right now and they would know what you're talking about. But if you energize your tacos, yeah, JB, exactly, man. If you guys have a coin in mind, now the plan is to just review the entire wallet, whether it's 100 coins, 1,000 coins, 500 coins, whatever we end up with, to review that wallet kind of once a week, maybe once a week, right? Possibly once a month, but just see what happens over the course of the year. We are bound, with all the research you guys can do, we are bound to hit at least one winner that could possibly produce gains similar to Shiba Inu Coin. And we could turn $100 into $100 million. So I say we do it and we have some fun. Let's talk about it. Janelle, let's talk about it. Clever, what do you think? Shiba will eliminate a zero. I'm hoping by the end of the year, Vinny, Shiba is rocket fueled. Is it a big taco energy or a little taco energy? Sounded like a big taco energy, man. So we got red light, green light on the list right now. Do you guys have any other coins that are just like so peculiar that we should look at adding to this list of going out, maybe buying a $10, $100, $50 or whatever, and building up this little wallet to see what happens with it. And then we're going to set some aside and we're going to open up, we're going to buy a wallet. I don't know how much we're going to buy it with, but we're not opening it until Christmas 2022. All right, and we could open that wallet for the first time on Christmas 2022. Maybe $500,000 in there. Every coin could have been a scam, and it could be $0 in there. So we'll have to see what happens with that one. I would love to do that. Ginger Snaps, it sounds great. Yeah, can you be included? Absolutely, Ginger Snaps. Absolutely. We got to figure out, we got to get the list together. So we can start now. We still got plenty of time. I would like to have the wallet going by the beginning of 2022, so we can just do it the entire year. But I don't know. I'm excited about both. And I'm kind of excited about that bonus wallet, the Christmas one. Like, do not open until Xmas. You know, you see those in the cartoons. Shiba can shave a zero this year if everyone holds, and hold time is a big problem. Yeah, Tom, as long as everybody holds and people continue to buy, then I do believe the price could drop a zero. Like Xmas morning. Yes, Janelle, exactly. We'll have to do like a quick 20-minute live stream or something, or 30-minute, like if we're millionaires, maybe longer, but nice quick live stream Christmas morning 2022 and see what that is. We're going to open that present up and see what it turned into. There's some credibility in crypto being Ponzi. All roads lead to Bitcoin. It dumps and the ecosystem follows its classic pyramid, although I hope not, because I'm a large investor. Diffy dog, man. Well, here, I will tell you this. Crypto is very similar to a Ponzi scheme, but not really. So a Ponzi scheme requires the constant building of the base. You constantly need to get more people in order to pay the payouts above you, okay? So you constantly need to build that, otherwise it ends up collapsing. Like, it is inevitable that a Ponzi or a pyramid scheme ends up collapsing. Crypto is similar in the sense that you're not necessarily buying anything of fundamental value. So you're not going out and at the end of the day, if it fails, you sell the company and liquidate the assets. You're buying the demand. Now, people do want crypto, right? They want it. They want it for, security purposes. They want it for just to increase transaction speeds. There are things like that that have use and have value, but it's all demand driven. So if people stop buying it, the stock or the coin price stops going up at that point. If they sell it, it's very demand driven with it going down. So there are some similarities, man, but it's not a Ponzi scheme or a pyramid scheme. Can you look up VRA? I've doubled and still low. Can you tell me what you think? Ginger Snaps. I can't do that now, unfortunately, because if I start running too many websites or programs, this computer can't handle it. And it's not on Webull, so I would have to do that at some other time. Let's go AMC. Let's get it, Mr. Simon. What the heck? What did wrestlers say? Darn it, I missed it. AMC can squeeze if everybody buys and holds. Dude, AMC will. So Shiba, eventually people will stop buying Shiba because the price is just going to be too high. AMC has a guaranteed buyer out there, so it doesn't matter how high the price goes. The price has to go higher until the hedge funds have covered their short positions. That's the huge difference there. Yes, I have heard of Egypt, and a lot of people love the pyramids there. Pyramid has mummies, so that might be a reason he dislikes. Hashtag just saying. Shoot, man, I like mummies, Leah. Phil for Real is a homie. He talks the truth. Yes, Phil for Real. We got Phil for Real in here somewhere. Is that what we're talking about? We got a different one. Maybe me. Maybe somebody. I don't know what's going on. I hope sooner than that because in mid-2022, chances are I will be pushed. No, Adria, you're not going to be dead in 2022. Come on now. That's just nonsense. You're going to be alive and well. Can we promote Safe Moon? Janelle. I believe that Safe Moon is recognizable enough at this point that I don't think it would make that list of just unknown crap coins that are lottery ticket plays. I think it's actually got a following and it's already got a lot of people who know about it and are buying it. It's not really a lottery ticket play. You want the new MacBooks? You want to I don't know about those MacBooks, man. I've never used Apple products, and I don't think now is the time for me to start using Apple. Clay, if any of my coins blow up, you're getting a laptop of the rage of... Nice! Nice, Jay. But no, I plan on buying either a computer or a laptop on Black Friday, man. We're gonna upgrade this system here. Can I buy a meme coin, or do I have to trade it? Michael, you can buy it. What do you mean? Can you buy it with dollars, or you talking like trade for Ethereum or Smart Chain, or is that what you're asking? Because you're not necessarily going to be able to go out and just buy all these little coins right off the bat. You're most likely going to have to swap them for another coin. Seriously, Clay, I still waiting for his Excel spreadsheet to open. No, dude, the Excel spreadsheet's open. I already wrote down red light, green light in here. But I feel like it's going anywhere. Janelle. Safe Moon, is that what you're talking about? Peyton said, to your best ability, when do you think Shiba will go back up or down? Honestly, Peyton, I think Shiba is going to move either tomorrow or Friday. And thank you very much, man. I do want to sincerely say thank you for the super chat again. That's based on the fact that we are going to be running out of this wedge here tomorrow, or apparently it's like the first 4 hours of Friday. So like tomorrow by midnight or the first 4 hours of Friday, this wedge could be broken. Okay, you can see as we've hit these higher lows since the low way back here at like 700 points per coin. We've been hitting these higher lows, and since the run up in October, we've been hitting these lower highs. So we formed this wedge right here, and on my chart, it ends in the first 4 hours of Friday morning. So tomorrow night, Friday, and as you can see, we're testing the bottom end of that range again, the bottom end of that wedge. If we break out of it now, that might be the breakout. But the wedge does end tomorrow, so that is what I'm keeping my eye on for a technical breakout. That's not to say that we're not going to get news released today, news released tomorrow. It's going to continue trading sideways until we have news. or what, but a technical breakout could occur anytime before kind of like 4 a.m. on Friday. Shiba Inu NFT, if you have time at some point, look into it. Currently around 0.0. Oh my gosh. Worth a punt. Stick it to your Excel. All right. I'll put that on there. Is it an NFT or is it a coin? Shiba Inu. All right, Excel. Where's Excel? All right. All right, sweet. This Shiba will fly to the moon when the Shiba Inu blockchain is finished by Ryoshi, and people can play in the Yoshiverse. Dang it, man. Elizabeth knows so much. I would just wish I was Elizabeth for a day. She knows so much. It's incredible. Shiba dead. Move on before you lose it. Oh, wrestler. Shiba's not dead. Come on now. Clint, is your prediction for Prague also to dip before earnings? Also, have you done any double D? Ooh, yeah. About the plausible announcements and so I have not done any due diligence about the plausible announcements or any partnerships or anything like that with Prague. And I don't even know when the earnings call is. But yeah, dude, typically, unless investors are really expecting some good news and really expecting them to announce one of those mergers or partnerships or newly acquired patents or something like that at an earnings call, you will see a group of investors that cannot handle the volatility of an earnings release. So, like, if there's really no big expectations, I would expect a little dip. If there are big expectations, you might see it perform closer to what AMC was performing, when it ran up to 40, 42, 43, and then trading 44 up to 47 after hours. You may see some activity like that if Prague is expecting some big announcements or some big release during the earnings report. But if they're not, I would say just be a little cautious, man. It's going to be volatile because you will have people leaving just because they don't want to be a part of that volatility. Peyton, only after Leah buys another EXO. Nice. I'm keeping an eye on Floki Rocket, which is currently in pre-sale and seems to have some traction. JB, should we add it to the list? Floki Rocket, should we add Floki? How much Floki Rocket and Doken, both in early stages. JB, keep an eye on them then. Let me know. Should we add them to the list now? Just a reminder. Dude, I'll add them to the list now and then we can just break down that list later. It's not like I have to go out and buy everything that's on this list. Floki Rocket. I mean, at least we're building this list up, right? And what? Token? Don't even know what that is, but sweet. Can I post a GoFundMe link for Clay's new laptop? No, Diffy Dog. There's no GoFundMe for Clay's new laptop or anything like that. Just if you want to help me get a new laptop, seriously, okay? I do like Samsung. I prefer a PC, and I may not go laptop. I might just take some of my old miners and build a desktop instead. But look for some Black Friday deals. All right, you could help me by doing that. Look for some sick Black Friday deals on like a nice laptop that I could stream from, or to rebuild a desktop. Alex, thanks for keeping it 100 with all the updates. Alex, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. And always, man, always. Look, I know a lot of people out there, they got their updates and their leaked info and their bombshell news and everything, and that's fun. But hey, I tend to just want to keep it a little bit more conservative, a little bit more real. And whether it's good news, whether it's bad news, we need to know what the news is. So we just roll with that, right? What's up with Wolverine? Dude, is Wolverine real? Because that sounds like something I'm interested in. Peyton, thank you for another super chat, Peyton. Peyton says, with what I have staked in SHIB, if it doesn't go up, I'm going to have to start hooking for cheeseburgers. Only people who watch TPB will get it. That's not me. I don't even know what TPB is. But anybody out there, nobody's talking about hooking for cheeseburgers. Because I do not know what the reference is. Peyton, thank you very much. Really appreciate that, man. Thank you. If anybody knows, like, let us know right now. TBB, I don't even know what that is. Miss Workmeister, thank you for the super chat, Miss Workmeister. Hypothetically, if you came across 30,000 to invest in crypto from, say, a sale of property or something, interesting. I love hypotheticals like this. What would you throw it into, since money in the bank is essentially a depreciating asset? Miss Workmeister, if you're thinking about doing it in crypto, okay, and hypothetically, you were walking down the neighborhood trick-or-treating and you picked up a duffel bag full of $30,000 instead of a duffel bag full of candy, then it would completely depend on your risk level, okay? Now, if you're trying to be a little, I wouldn't put $30,000 in any of these little coins we're talking about, okay? I'll just say that now. I wouldn't risk, especially if it's a sale of a property or some big chunk of money. I would not put 30 grand in Floki Rocket, Dokkan, Red Light, Green Light, Floki Inu, Shiba Inu, Hiroshima, like any of that stuff. I would not put it, I wouldn't even look at those. If you were looking for, a play where you could essentially double your money, but you risk losing a lot of it as well, coins like Shiba Inu coin that are on some bigger exchanges, and I wouldn't go out and I wouldn't buy this just on your trust wallet either. I would do it through an exchange if you're using that kind of money. But riskier plays, you can make a lot more money. Clearly the risk reward ratio. But honestly, if you're looking to just go out there, make 10, 20, 30%, and you feel, you would rather have your money be safer, stuff like Cardano, Ethereum, Algorand, maybe even BAT now that it's gaining exposure and attention, and it ran 30% the other day. Uniswap is on Webull now. That could be a good one. That's very useful. There's a lot of coins out there that are on these bigger exchanges, making a name for themselves and are much more stable than things like Shiba Inu. But if it's a large chunk of money, I just want you to be careful with it and not go risk it on a Floki Rocket. I would feel so bad if you did that. Hypothetically, I'm leaning a blend of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. Very nice. Miss Workmeister, that could be perfect. That could be perfect. Now, right now that Ethereum is at or right below an all-time high. Same deal with Bitcoin, and Cardano, however you say it, is also on a little run as well. So if you're just getting all of your stuff, lined up and ready to go, you may see a little dip in all three of those coins, but I would be more comfortable with those three choices there. I would say you're not going to go out and double or triple your money this year by investing in those, but I certainly don't think, barring some huge pullback like we saw back in March of 2020 when everybody was worried about the coronavirus, I don't think you're going to go out there and lose a large chunk of your money either. I think it's going to be a lot safer, and at least I'll be able to sleep at night knowing you made a decision like that instead of, oh my god, dude, did she just double 30 grand right now? Is she sitting on 10 grand or is she sitting on 60 grand? Like, what's the deal? Oh my gosh. Wrestler, it's possible to be a good cat list for it. Either that or a big gamma potential for the 19th. The cat list. I love this dude in his cat list. The bend over coin. I don't even know if that's real, man. Bend over coin. Make sure you write down BRA and Sand. Ginger Snaps. All right, is that what it is? Is that the ticker or is it VRA? Sand, I've never heard of Sand, so I don't know what that is. It sounds cool. I will write Sand right now. We can check that out. And then, is it VRA? Is that like a ticker, or is that what it actually is? So increase my Shiba position to 30. Chief, man. Chief, you can increase your, hey, if you want to go out there and potentially double your money overnight, I say go for it, dude. But you run the same risk of losing half your money overnight too. So if you're okay with that type of risk, you can definitely make some good money doing it. We need new positive news. Definitely, man. We would love some positive news right now. I think we're running out of things to look for, especially after Robinhood kind of, I don't know, hit us in the head with a hammer yesterday. It would be a lot more comfy to sit on 60 grand than 10 grand, though. Just saying. Peyton, yes, it would, man. And, hey, some people Dude, Peyton, some people are completely fine with that. They can go to sleep knowing that crypto trades all night long. They got 30 grand. They just got a big lump sum of money. They got 30 grand. They put it on Shiba Inu Coin, and that hopefulness for the future allows them to sleep easy. They don't worry about, well, dude, if it does pull back a little bit tonight, it's going to go up in the future. I'm not too worried about that. I truly believe in this long term. So the short-term volatility is just that. It's just short-term volatility. And, honestly, let's just put it in perspective, okay? If this was a month and a half ago and Shiba Inu Coin wasn't getting the same hype that it is now, but it's sitting at 600, 700 points per coin, and you're like, okay, I'll drop 30 grand on this. Dude, you'd have $300,000 right now. During the peak, you would have been sitting on 500 grand. So, yes, you could do extremely well with that. And you might not ever be looking at prices like 500 points, 600 points again per coin. You might not ever be looking at those. So you could do extremely well on it and turn that 30 into 500,000 over the course of 2 or 3 weeks. But you have to weigh the risk to reward and who you are as an investor. Miss Workmeister, by the way, it's a miss, not miss, because of my initials. Oh, okay, MS. Gotcha. Clearly, 17-year-old me didn't plan this email out 17 years ago. MS Workmeister. Gotcha. MS Workmeister. I will also tell you, if you would like to switch your name, you can switch your name on Google. You can make it whatever you want. And it's very sorry saying Miss Workmeister, MS Workmeister. I will try, and you did not have to send the super chat to clarify that. Really appreciate the fact that you did. But MS Workmeister, very sorry. 17-year-old me, dude, 17-year-old me wasn't planning anything out. I'll tell you that right now. But, yes, MS Workmaster, very nice. Let's see, what does meme mean when it's describing a coin? Meme is basically the same thing, like, it's just these memes, like these Dogecoin memes and stuff that you see out there are just these viral sensations that everybody's pouring into because they think it's funny and they think it's something, and it's like a new investing thesis out there. If it's a meme, it will be viral. So that's like what it's referring to when it's talking about a coin. Shiba down to 50.55. Yeah, Shiba down a little bit right now. 50.73 on the chart. 50.55 right here. All right. 50.53. What are we looking like on that 4-hour chart? 4-hour chart, kind of testing our boundaries right here with that wedge, guys. We're kind of testing our boundaries a little bit, seeing what happens with this wedge we got going on. Hopefully we don't break out to the downside, because if so, we may be retesting these 4,300 levels. All right, just gonna prepare you right now, but that's what we're looking at, kind of testing the bottom end of this wedge, and I would expect a bounce off this level, but if we don't, we may be breaking down now. So keep that in mind. Keep an eye on that. When AMC apes are not the reason for a crash. We AMC apes are definitely not the reason for a crash. Never. Apes are the only ones keeping AMC and GameStop and stuff alive. Marine Corps Brat, would you suggest maybe all these shiny coins with strange names and perhaps a distraction take attention away from AMC? Possibly. Listen. Possibly, yes. Okay? Anything that is running could be considered a distraction from something else. But you only consider it a distraction if the money that you would be putting into it would have otherwise been used in AMC, or was otherwise currently being used in AMC. So if I were to sell AMC and go out and buy Shiba, Floki, whatever, then yes, I would consider that a distraction. It took my attention away from AMC. But, there's a lot of people out there whose portfolios are not 100% in any one investment. And I don't consider it a distraction if what you're using and the funds you're putting towards it were not originally intended or originally used for AMC. Welcome to the Tony Oh my gosh. Tony, man, thank you for grabbing that green name. Becoming a little bro. I absolutely love it, man. You guys know what I'm going to see right now. 536. Welcome, Tony Wrangles, to the channel, or to the chat right now. Please, guys, just do not be afraid to spam welcome to Tony. Tony, man, really, really appreciate the support. Really appreciate you grabbing that green name, man. We got Frank saying welcome, Tony. Wrestler, welcome, Tony. Riptide Redemption, welcome, Tony. Yes, VR8 is a Veracity, Clay Bro. Gotcha. All right, so Veracity, let's see. I'm going to put that in there right now. All right, cool. Getting a decent list together. If you guys have any of these other coins, okay, that you might want to add to that portfolio in 2022, I say get your suggestions out here right now, because 2022 we plan on building a crypto wallet, just kind of like a, not a huge one, but just a wallet to kind of see how all of these lottery ticket plays kind of play off against each other and so on. If you know anybody out there, like any developers who just want to get their coin pumped, you know, tell them to email me. We could talk about adding it to this wallet that we're going to be looking at weekly. Add Brocoin. Brocoin is already a thing, right? Like, there's already a Brocoin out there. I'm pretty sure. It's not my Brocoin, but I'm pretty sure there is a Brocoin out there. Do you want to add that one? So I add ANKR, Sushi, and AMP. Sushi's kind of big, but alright. ANKR, Sushi, and AMP. I'll add those to the list right there. We can narrow this list or whatever. ANKR, Sushi. No. Sushi and AMP. Alright. Kishu, and Bankera. Alright, Alex, I got you. Kishu and Bankera. Let's get both of those on the list. We can check this out. Kishu, Bankera. Good deal. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, is that one? Shiba Inu Gem? Yes, please. Leah, good deal. Safe Moon. Jacob, I think Safe Moon might be too big at this point. I think it might be too big. VRA, Mini 8, Veracity. Yeah, we got that one, man. We got that one, right? VRA's Veracity. Trump Coin. Is Trump Coin one? I mean, I could be one that Harmony won. Okay. Harmony 1. Not a Harmony. Let's see. D-Race. Did we get D-Race one? Okay. D-Race. A Cat Coin or Kate Coin? Is Pig Coin really one? Clique High. Okay. Prog definitely buy after earnings call. Correct me if I'm wrong. I am buying it. I already hold Prog, so I think that you could buy it before. Kishimoto. Alright, Kishimoto. Lord Edge. KuCoin. We'll get any more. Cat Girl. Hyperchain. Oh, dude, we're getting a nice list together, guys, that we can go through. Micro Pets. Mononoke. Okay. Falcon 9, is that one? Honestly, guys, I don't even know if you're messing with me right now. Mana. Yeah, Mana's kind of a bigger one, though. I don't know about Mana, man. I can't believe Bro Merch Store doesn't accept a Bro Coin. Diffy Dog, I can't believe it either, man. I can't believe it either. Wolverine, I do like the sound of that. Wolverine, thank you, Clayboy. Yeah, absolutely. Micro Pets. I got that one written down, Mr. Enormous. AMC, yeah, AMC coin could be coming out. I don't know if that's going to be coming out yet, but that could be pretty cool when it does. We'll get that one on there. Moon Token. No. Penguin, no. Not no Blump Inu. V-Chain, I think V-Chain might be too big. Bendova, not real. Dogezilla. Dogezilla, okay. Stepbro Inu, I would buy Stepbro Inu. Edgelon, okay. Suzuki, okay. Shiba Inu, we got to get that. Is Chia Coin 1? I don't even know if it is, but I'm writing it down. Meta Hero, okay. Shiba, Shiba's too big. I already hold Shiba. Amazon Coin. I don't know if Amazon has a coin. Piccolo, okay. Made, interesting. Never heard of that one. Shiro, I already got that one on there. Saitama, okay. Is D's Nuts coin a real coin? Juju Snaps, I got you on that one. Amazon coin, okay. Amazon coin's a scam, maybe not there. Mewtwo Inu, don't even know if that's a thing. All right, let's keep dropping off. Noah, the Shiba, is that what you're talking about? Okay, cool. All right, guys, we got a decent list right here. We can go through and add to that really at any time, but let's save this just in case. Got him! Who got him, man? Somebody got me? Okay. Alright, cool. We got that going. Alright, so we got a list of coins that we can start looking into. And hey, add more. If you guys come across some crazy little projects or something, I say add more. Grandpa Barney is here! Grandpa Barney, thank you very much for the super chat. Good morning, family. Loop ring hit 392 early morning. Glad I was working. Pulled profits, bought more. Oh my gosh. You know, if and when GME announces the move over to Loop Ring platform, it will shoot for the moon. Not financial advice, grandpa advice. Love ya, family. Grandpa Barney, there you go, guys. If GME is moving over to the Loop Ring platform, it's going to rock it. Grandpa Barney doing great on Loop Ring, man. Very nice, Grandpa Barney. I love it. And thank you very much for the super chat. Everybody say good morning to Grandpa Barney, man. This dude never sleeps. All he ever does is make money. It's amazing. It's amazing. Alex says Zoot. We got Zoot. Okay. Sup, Clay, bro? Let's Shiba get this fire burning. Let's go, Jay, man. Thank you very much for the super chat, Jay. Let's get this fire burning. Oh, yes. Shiba Army, get the fire loaded and ready to go. Shiba's sitting at the bottom end of that wedge right now at 50.55. We are hoping for a bounce back off the bottom end of that wedge to go back into what we hope for to be the 6,000s. Jay, man, thank you very much. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much. You guys are amazing. Oh my gosh. Peyton, thank you very much for the super chat. Do you have market price at which you'd pull your... No, right now, Peyton, I do not have a price point where I'm just like giving up or anything. My average is at about 5,500 right now. All right, my average is about 5,500, so I am down on my Shiba Inu at this point, sitting down about 500 points or so. And I don't have a stop loss because I'm not 100% committed to holding it like long term where it hits a penny and I'm sitting on it for 10 years or anything like that. But I do think that it has potential to go much higher. So at this point, I don't have any price targets or stop losses in mind, but I am holding it at a little bit of a loss right now. Jay Ann, thank you for another super chat. He says, Grandpa Barney, you beat me to it. Oh, man, you guys are showing up at the same time. Interesting. They both show up at the same time today. Jay and Grandpa Barney both coming in hot right around the same time. I love it, guys, and thank you guys very, very much for the support. Don't be afraid to throw your support out there for Jay and Grandpa Barney, man. Spam their names. Tell them how much you love them, because absolutely, they are bros. Russell says before, could you show the Shiba wedge again? Yeah, sick. We could pull that wedge up again. So if you come back out here, AMC trading sideways at $39, and I did not see what GameStop was at. But we got this wedge right here. So if you pull way back out, and you're looking at where the wedge starts, it's coming from all of the higher lows that we were hitting from that $700 mark down here. We kind of consolidated a little bit, but if you're connecting all of the higher lows, I believe this is the line you want to follow. So that's the higher lows, and then once we peaked at the end of October there, we started hitting lower highs. That develops the wedge that we're in. This is a 4-hour chart if you guys want to pull your chart up. Red lines are resistance lines if we break out. These green lines are kind of support lines if we break to the downside. But in this wedge, if you zoom in, you can see that it's been trading nicely over the last couple of weeks, hitting both the highs and lows. And today we're testing the low side of the wedge down here at about 5,000 points per coin right now. So we tested it here, kind of touched it, bounced off, coming back in to retest it to the downside. And we're hoping that the wedge continues and we break out to the upside. We do not want to break out to the downside of it. So that's what you're looking at if you're trying to keep an eye on that 4-hour wedge right there. So that's for Shiba Inu coin. Inu is over with. Dogecoin at the same thing. Dark Doge, etc. They're all pillars. Meme coin is the only exclusive to the meme coin itself. Between Shiba and Doge, there is a 5 years difference. Good day, Jay. Absolutely. I think Blizzard should create a World of War. Yeah, I think they could do well with that one, with the WoW coin. No, I'll add that now. All right. Zoot on the list. Can say now I'm officially a shareholder in Prague. Leah, very nice. Leah's got Prague sitting at around 369. Good deal. I got my Prague at 350. And I think both of those are good fills. I think it's got a chance to go a lot higher. Good. What do you think of Rivian? What do you think of Rivian? Oh, man, Jeffrey. Honestly, I don't know. I think it's going to be volatile, right? I don't know if it started trading yet or not. But IPOs are typically very volatile, and you might see it go up to 100, down to 50, back up to 120, back down to 80. Like, I have no idea what's going to happen. I do expect volatility, though. AMC sitting at $39 support. Very good. Should I stay in AMC or sell? Pat Wolfman. So I am staying in AMC until we have the short squeeze, man. If you did not plan on staying to the short squeeze, I mean, then you can go sell, but the short squeeze has not occurred. Grandpa Barney! Thank you for the super chat, Grandpa Barney. My goodness. Good morning, and shout out to my brother, the Big J, and my Captain, Trapper, Devil, and all my you. You are all the best. My goodness. Everybody, if you're not saying good morning to Grandpa Barney right now, I don't know what you're doing. He included everybody in there. Shout out to the Big J, Captain, Trapper, and Devil. Man, he's got all of you guys out there. And he says good morning specifically to all of you in there. So shout out to Grandpa Barney. And good morning to you as well, man. Hopefully you got some sleep. I don't know if you did, but we hope you get some rest, Grandpa, because you are really taking a lot of work lately. You don't own any Green Moonzilla? Seems like a scam. Could be. JB, man. JB's turning into our baby coin in-house expert here. I love it. Morning, Gramps. Devil's Advocate says, morning, Gramps. How you doing, man? Morning, Grandpa. Oh, yeah. I love the love coming in here. Grandpa Barney from AMC Trapper. Be careful. Yep. What's up, Grandpa Barney? JS Justice. Thank you. Oh, I like it, guys. Ginger Snaps. We're all in this together. Yes, we are, Danelle. Definitely. Hey, bro, can you explain to me how Shiba can have someone or a platform buy trillions of Shiba without any price movement on the charts? Confused. Mark, so if you're talking about the other day when there was like $1 billion worth of Shiba traded, it's whatever is available. It's whatever's available to be bought. So if you were to go out and try to buy 1 trillion Shiba right now, but there weren't 1 trillion Shiba available to be bought, the price is going to have to go up. But if you're going to go and try and buy 1 trillion Shiba and expect to not raise the price very much, you have to have that supply out there. And it's seemingly, without it jumping the price up very much, there was that amount of supply ready to be traded and transferred. J.N. Claybro, give Grandpa Barney a long sleeve. Grandpa Barney is getting a long sleeve. Grandpa Barney's getting a custom long sleeve too. Jay, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Grandpa Barney has a custom long sleeve coming to him. So thank you very much. Really appreciate the super chat, Jay. Really, Jay and Grandpa Barney are absolutely amazing. Just super generous people, man. And Grandpa Barney is getting the custom long sleeve. These darn fancy IOUs, Mark. It's crazy. It's crazy, devil's advocate, especially with platforms like Weibo that are fancy IOUs. Yes. Clay, did you see Pringleton's message about earnings? JB, I did not see Pringleton's message about earnings. Let's see. After earnings the last few times, we have dropped. Next day, 8% last time. Traded sideways a few days. 4 days the last time, and then broke up high. Hoping for a nice jump Friday/Monday this time. You know what? And it could be just a coincidence that you recognize that pattern, but also that could go to just serve as evidence of the fact that there are that group of people, regular investors, not apes, not people invested in the short squeeze and so on, that are exiting because of the earnings report, and then they are re-entering afterwards when that hype and volatility died down. So, if it does prove to be that way, then it could be evidence of that. Otherwise, it may just be a coincidence, man. Click! Give Grandma a shirt too, please. Grandma's getting a shirt too now. Grandpa Barney, I'm going to have to message you for Grandma's shirt size, because Grandma's getting a shirt now too. Jay, thank you very much. Grandma and Grandpa Barney are definitely going to have both long sleeve shirts now. I love it. And we're going to have to get Grandma's shirt size. So, yes, thank you very much. Grandpa Barney, make sure to message me on Twitter, man. I'll bet you a steak pizza with mayo. Pringleton says, Pringleton coming in out with a steak pizza on mayo bet. I like it, dude. We got Shiba bouncing about 100 points right here, and you know exactly where it bounced off. I don't even have to pull this bad boy up right now, but really testing that level down there and bouncing off of it. So hopefully that action continues, and we get a nice move. A nice move sideways for at least the next 24 hours before we break out to the upside. Not a pump and dump. It is being offered on Bankera, which is a digital bank. It also has other stable coins. There's a reason why a banking institution is getting in on this. Stephanie, bro! Oh my goodness. Stephanie, bro, how is your day going today? And congratulations, Stephanie, bro. You had a very interesting day, didn't you? Clay, bro, we in here. Michael, we are in here. Syscoin is now being accepted on the Bro Merge store. We should get a Syscoin. Yes, we do need a Syscoin and a Bro Coin. Which one would you guys be more likely to buy? A Bro Coin or a Syscoin? Baby bro, yes. Stephanie, amazing day. My goodness. Honestly, sincere to mention, congratulations. Parabéns, Stephanie. Isso é incrível. No overseas, the cost is too high. Don't know about the overseas thing. Frank, man! Frank with an options update. It looks like AMC options update for Friday. Yes! Midweek movers, $50 strike at 21,100. Up 7.2 thousand. $45 strike at 16,400, up 4,000. $40 strike, 7.8 thousand, down 974. Chain supports. I love it, Frank, man. Thank you very much for the super chat, and more importantly, thank you for the options update. Frank's our in-house AMC options expert, man. I love it. AMC Trapper says, bro, what's up? AMC Trapper. Thanks, Frank. Absolutely. Stephanie. Faço ainda a mesma coisa, bro. Eu falaria parabéns também. É nóis, bro. É nóis. One more pump and Shiba is dead. Aurora Health. Shiba is not dead. Come on now. A little scary, Stephanie. I don't know. A little scary, but I mean, the parabéns. Step Syscoin, I'm weak. Let's get it. Jacob, is there a Step Syscoin out there? I would buy. Step Pro or Step Syscoin, I would buy that. That goes in the 2022 portfolio. Marine Corps Brat and Max, both of you relax. The distraction argument in and of itself is extremely divisive. Either you are telling someone they're wrong or telling them what to do. Neither is positive. Well, neither is positive, yes, but I can understand it both ways. I honestly can. But I do know there are a lot of people that are not fully invested either in Shiba. Actually, I think the majority of people in here do have both Shiba and AMC. So I think they're both happy. Max Biasi, come. Let's go. Stephanie, vem. Max Biasi. Cadê você, Max? Cadê você? Let's go, Max. 11 comment. I did not see it. Sorry about that. Let's see here. Do you use stocks too? or just those that have to do with crypto? No, no, no. I have stock, man. I have stocks. I actually have more stocks than I have crypto. So it's not like this is just a crypto channel or anything like that. I have more stocks. I have much more invested in stocks than I do in crypto. Grandma is XS for my. Okay, okay. Grandpa Barney. In that case, is she okay with pink? Honestly, man, because I only have one shirt. The smalls that I have are like a unisex small, so that would be kind of too big for her. But I do have a women's small. I have one women's small that ended up being like really small, and I think that might work out for her. It's not an extra small, but it's a pretty small. So I think I can do on that. That's a t-shirt though. I don't have any extra smalls. I'll go back to my class, bro. Have a good life. Muito obrigado, Stephanie. Thank you very much. And enjoy your class. If you have a test today, good luck. Thank you for... Look at this, guys. We got people coming in the live stream while they're in class. I like it. Anybody else in class right now? Anybody else in class just hanging out with us? We got people in work, people in class, all of it. Another guy talking about shirts. Darn! Does anyone talk about AMC anymore? Vince. Occasionally we do, man. Yes. Occasionally we do, but we gotta get Grandma a shirt, dude. You can't be rude telling Grandma she can't get a shirt. Bro. I'll get what? A little out of title, but I gotta ask, what is your view on Saitama? It's not out of the title, dude, because apparently that is just what we were talking about all day today. I do think that there's a lot of people very interested in it, right? I tried to look up everything that's going on with it. I can't wrap my head around Saitama yet, but I do think that, you know, with the amount of people that are excited about it, I think you could see a move in it. But as far as like anything about its longevity or its project or anything like that, man, I can't speak directly on it. But hey, you get gains where money's moving, man. So if you're willing to take a risk, I say go for it. Online classes for now. Nice. Leah is in here and in class as well. Leah, very nice. Clay, you got what is that? A schlong coin? Is that what you got there? I'm getting schooled here. Danelle, very nice. I like it. Occasionally talk about AMC. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. 11 on Mr. Simon. We talk about AMC. You know we do. If you that's your position, keep it to yourself. We don't need to know. Yeah, I mean, that is true. Like, if you do, you don't have to announce to the world when you buy a stock or when you sell a stock or whatever. But, you know, it's your money. You do with it what you would want. And with Shiba currently sitting at 51.45, AMC at 40.21, GameStop at 204, and Prague sitting at 365, 366. You know, I think all of these are going to turn out to be very good investments for us. Don't panic, brothers. Hold strong. Hector, that is exactly what we were doing. Danelle, and why don't we get teachers like... I don't know, man. Where are these teachers? Are there any teachers in here? Like, have some fun with your class. It's better that way. Please keep the comments respectful. We wrenches are watching. Dude, Frank is always watching, man. Frank never stops watching. Hey, this chat is compromised. Listen, is the chat compromised? It is? I don't want the chat to be compromised. Public listed a few more cryptos today. All of them were listed at their all-time highs, raising suspicion. Shiba Inu. I don't know why that would raise suspicion about what they like fell down after public listed them or what, because you know when coins are at their all-time highs, people are also at their all-time highs of interest in them as well. So with everybody interested in them, you know, the hype fades, the hype comes, and the hype goes, man. And it could have just been bad timing for public getting those listed. Can you check the wedge, bro? Yeah, we can check that wedge in 2 seconds. We did just look at it, but give me 2 seconds. Let's see what Lewis had to say here. That was again not to me means simply trying to get to the point across. We have not covered much AMC, and I think his point is better for me. No, Marine Corps brat, you stay. You are one of us. You stay. Come on now, Clay. Not to put you on the spot about all the other YouTubers that claim to be experts. Which ones do you listen to or think have a valid content? Lots of garbage on YouTube claiming that. Lewis, yeah, man. I'm not gonna call anybody out, because I do think that a lot of people have different styles and different, trading techniques, okay? So, and you develop those trading techniques over time. And you can see the difference in people too. Like Matt Kors, man. I watched some of Matt Kors stuff. I agree with, I would say, 90% of what Matt Kors says. And then there's another 10% that I've got a differing opinion on, right? I think a little bit differently. And trades, I would say it's a little less than 90%. But at the same deal, he's got a different view and a different reasoning for buying and selling the stocks that he buys and sells. Keenan Grace, good dude. He really likes to look at the charts and look at the technical analysis and stuff. I don't watch him enough to really know like all of his opinions on everything, but I can tell that he knows what he's doing and he knows what to look for and things like that. And that dude's energy levels out the wazoo as well. But as far as watching somebody, like, I don't know, I would be skeptical of people that are doing like leaked information and breaking news. I would say that is more like strictly entertainment purposes as opposed to like trading purposes. And that's not to say that there's not a market for that. Clearly there is, because everybody seems to be very interested when there is some sort of exposed information out there. But as far as like trading and investing goes, I think that you have to determine what makes the most sense to you. Because if you come across me and I'm like way too conservative for you or something, and I'm like, dude, don't YOLO on Shiba, that could come back to bite you. And then you're like, well, I want to YOLO on Shiba. I want to go out there and spend all my money right now and have it 10x. Maybe I don't fit your investment profile the way that somebody else would. So I would suggest in all of that, I guess say all of that, to just say, look at a few different people's opinions, okay? And just because you watch one guy that says, I played a little bit more conservatively, another guy says, well, here's the benefits of playing it and going all in and YOLOing and so on, then you can at least make a decision. Because I know a lot of us go live, Masked Investor, Short the VIX, Matt Kors, a lot of us are live, even Andrew Mo Money, right? I don't see him on as much more lately, but we're all live at the same time. There's nothing wrong with jumping from stream to stream, gathering a few different opinions, and so on, and getting those different perspectives, because I believe all of us have a slightly different perspective that could just improve you over time. So I say take that approach to it. Rivian is hot. Very nice. Oh my gosh, guys, with that long-winded response, it is past 1 o'clock right now. Rivian is live. Let's see what we got with it right now. Let's try to pull a chart of that up as we're leaving. I think that's the ticker. Is it ticking right now? Oh my goodness, $113. Very nice, guys. Opened up at about $106. $106.75. Trading at $111 right now. Going to be a very volatile day for Rivian. So if you're in it, have some fun. Maybe make some money. If you plan on holding long term, just sit back, relax, and buckle up, because it's going to be a nice ride there. Rivian definitely ticking up 42% right now. We are going to take a break, but our bro is the best, though. Frank, man, really appreciate that. All of you guys. And listen, I know we have a lot of fun in here, okay? So if you're going to be hanging out like throughout most of the day, you want to do so where you're having fun. But if I say something and you disagree with it, clearly, somebody else is going to say something and you're going to agree with it. So, nothing wrong with that. Everybody's got different perspectives. Dude, we know we have fun. I'll come back under 100. We'll come back under, and most likely, yes. Most likely this hype around Rivian will fade a little bit, and it's going to be a volatile day, guys. 78 was the IPO. Yeah, my dad picked some at 78. Picked up some at 78. Where can we see bro merchandise? XH, claybro.com. You can either click on the link in the description or just go to claybro.com. It's not like anything fancy right now, but just bro shirts. So we're going to come back in a couple hours, guys. Make sure to click the like button on the way up. Crypto Rocketeer, boom, dabbing on like always. The Shiba Army is strong. Yes. Leah, see you later. Thanks for being in here. Frank, I will see you later. Perma Wrench and the funnest, definitely, man. Gunning for that Perma Wrench. Elizabeth, enjoy the rest of your afternoon. What time? So in about 2 hours to 2.5 hours. It depends on when the video is released and so on. The 3 o'clock hour is when I say start looking for the stream to be scheduled. It depends if it's going to be 3:15 Eastern or 3:30 Eastern, depending on when that video gets listed and so on. But we'll be back in about 2 hours for the afternoon session. Follow people who can own mistakes. Clay's 100% that kind of guy. Trey has also been able to do so. I feel like that makes them more reliable as correct informants. Yeah, guys, because listen, I feel like I do know a lot, but nobody can predict the future, right? So that's the kind of mentality that you have to go into it. You can know a lot of definitions. You can know a lot of kind of like ideas and theories and things like that, but nobody knows everything, right? If you did, we would all be trillionaires. So, absolutely. Marine Corps Brad, see you later. Christian, Chris, Skywalker, Brokerage, Frodo, man. See you later. Get your name in the chat if you want to shout out right now. So let's get that going. Robert, Uncle Joshy, Marine Corps Brad, Food Critic, Siddharth, all right. Devil in Fire, Lewis, see you later, man. V. Creighton, Ginger Snaps, have a good day. Y'all be heck yeah, we're dabbing on with Crypto Rocketeer. Tony, Leah, Ginger, Adam, Leah, Clowny, Stacksape Nation, man. Came in late. Still got to say get the Clay Bro fixed. Thanks, bro. Absolutely. Stacksape Nation, man. Danelle, see you later. Tony, see you later. Frank, The Adventures of Fat Man and Blobbin. I like that. The Adventures of Fat Man and Blobbin. Good deal, man. Duty Sardinia, very nice. Nuno, Alex, and Cassie. Until the next time. Oh, yeah. Sky, Tony, see you guys later. All right, now you do know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.